Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going grocery shopping because we're back to eating healthy, sis. And I want to take you guys with me so you guys can see what I get, to see if you want to get it, and to get your meal prep together. So I have my list here on my other phone, and we're just gonna go down the list. And yeah, so if you're looking to get your meal prep on and to figure out what to get to help you with your diet and your healthy eating this new year, stay tuned. These are the sandwich,
You showed the time.
skinny sandwiches. They're like 90 calories. They're great to have for breakfast when you have like egg whites and stuff. Speaking of which, I need to get egg whites. We're just going down the list. And
Trying to buy me some fruit snacks.
okay, so let's just keep going. So far, I got some chips for my cheat meal days. So, and I live for nachos. If you know me, don't I live for nachos? So on my cheat meal days, I will have that. I have 2 cans of yams, some cooking oil, and 2 things of bananas and apples as of right now. So we're making it down the list and we're checking it twice. Okay, y'all, so we're in the car now. We just left Aldi's. I couldn't keep filming and trying to remember what I was getting because it was too much. So we're gonna go to Walmart right now to get the last 3 things. I need spinach. Hold on. I need spinach. I need almond milk, and we need bath soap. So we're gonna go to Walmart to go get that, and then I should be done. And once we get home, I'll show you guys all the stuff that I got. And yeah,
I'm out of breath. I didn't even run that long.
we'll see you guys in a minute. World is Wally world. Wally world. Alright, y'all, so we're back. I wanted to show you guys like in person everything. So I got 2 things of turkey bacon. I had got these power waffles. I've heard good things about them. I got the blueberry ones and I wanted to try them out. Then I got turkey burgers. Turkey burgers are the key. I showed you guys the apples, I believe, in the last video. So got some apples, got some pink salmon, and got these whole wheat tortillas to make breakfast burritos. You guys saw my tater tots for when it's cheat meal day. Broccoli, apple cider. Then I have egg whites, turkey meatballs, oatmeal, yams. And so I got these, the spinach. I'll also use this for like smoothies, as well as like if I wanted to have a spinach salad, which I'll probably do with the salmon. And then I have the vanilla almond milk, and I got some lemonade because I'm always craving lemonade. Bananas, nanners, and then this is the honey that I use most times. And then I have my instant white rice that I use. And then this is the ground turkey that I get every time I go to Aldi's. So that's that. This is also like when I want pasta, but I want to keep it healthy. So this is the veggie pasta I get. And then I get this at Walmart. And it's for making my smoothies. And it gets me right every time. It comes with a couple of bags in there, and the bags are really full. So you can make a good size amount of smoothies with them. And that's it.